In news that's just coming in, the Delhi High Court has given the Public Works Department a deadline of the 25th of June to complete desilting of the stormwater drain at Kushak Nala. The current rain showers in Delhi, coupled with the pending desilting work, has been a massive inconvenience for local residents who've been demanding that the Nala be desilted. This is a story that Mirror Now's Milan Sharma has been reporting on. Milan, the Delhi High Court has already once spoken about the fact that desilting work on this Nala has not been up to the mark. Now a deadline has been set by the court. Give us a sense of what you saw when you went there on the ground. It's a report that we have played out on the channel over this weekend, the pictures of which in fact are on our screens right now. What are the observations of the Delhi High Court in the course of the hearing today?
Correct. The Delhi High Court today observed that although some work has been started by the PWD officials, but it's going to take them a lot of time to complete the desilting of the construction debris that has been dumped in the Nala, and also desilt the already accumulated silt into the Nala. In fact, the Delhi High Court bench headed by Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva said that, even though the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has taken note of the desilting work that has not been completed, the court has been asking PWD officials for the last 5 years to take cognizance of the matter, but the PWD has not been standing its ground. In fact, I have the petitioner of the case with me as well as the local commissioner. Sir, जो आज दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट की ऑब्जर्वेशंस थी, क्या आपको लगता है कि PWD टाइम पर 25 जून जो उन्होंने डेडलाइन अपने लिए सेट की है, उस तक वो कुशक नाला जो एक क्रूशल स्टॉर्म वाटर ड्रेन है ताकि दिल्ली वाटर लॉग ना, वो कंप्लीट हो पाएगा?
जो कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शन दी है वो तो बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन जो 25 तारीख डेट दी है, 25 जून ऑफ 17 पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। 18 तक भी पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा कि वो काम कर सके।
It is on his petition that the High Court of Delhi has been taking the matter into consideration. I also have with me the local commissioner, Ms. Gurneet Kaur. Do you think that the PWD officials should also slap a penalty on the contractor who's not done their job?
I think it's all depending on the decisions and the orders of the court. So whatever the court may direct the PWD officials, they'll only do the work till that extent. Now, I have been appointed a local commission this matter twice. So this is the second time. The last time I was appointed was in last year, July. So, and this time during inspection, I observed that the condition of the nalas are even more worse. And which is very bad, because it's not only, there's nothing against PWD officials. The only thing is that the nalas, if they're cleared, it is only for the welfare of citizens, and especially Delhi, because all these nalas ultimately connects to river Yamuna. So as long as they're doing work, that's okay. But according to my observation, it was worse. It was pathetic.
Mirror Now had also done a spot check on these nalas, and it found that, of course, a large amount of desilting work was lacking. It wasn't done. And also the construction of, the Barapulla flyover extension on top of it is also one main problem that is causing the embankment and catchment area of the Nala to reduce, and which is causing a lot of problems during monsoons in Delhi. Definitely the citizens will see a waterlogged city this time around. Back to you.
Right, be it Bombay or Delhi, the story seems to be the same. There requires to be court-monitored desilting work in Delhi that gives you a sense of how responsible our civic bodies are. Milan Sharma reporting from Delhi. Thanks very much for the moment.